and welcome to the 12th tutorial in the series on drawing the full figure. In this lesson we're going to be drawing St. John the Forerunner. He can be found in various different poses in icons depending on whether he's depicted in a deicys or in the wilderness or simply in a frontal pose. We're going to be drawing him in a frontal pose, but one slightly different to what we've done so far, so that we can see how the different stance affects how the garments fall. We're going to start off with a camel hair garment, which can be quite daunting. So it's best to start by simplifying it and finding a basic rhythm, because as with everything in the icon, there needs to be rhythm and harmony so that it doesn't distract the eye. Once we get to creating a rhythm, we can work on making it more complex. So we're going to have a look at a couple of basic ways that we can create rhythm.